Boom shakalaka, welcome back to the Austin Automates channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step, very simply, how to connect your closebot account to Highlevel and get it firing really quick. So let's just dive right in. So very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to be logged into your closebot account, and you're going to want to be logged in to your Highlevel account, okay? And then once you do that, you do need a bot created. I do believe once you log in, there should be one. If not, hit this plus button, either use a template or create one from scratch. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to integrate. Then I'm going to hit add new. And because I'm already logged into my Highlevel account, it's going to ask me which sub account I want to connect that specific bot to. Then I'm going to hit prospect capo, and then I'm going to hit back. Now, this specific bot solar template, you can see the drop down, there's many bots. Now, solar template is integrated with closebot. Okay, and now to get it firing, there is one more step you have to do. The next step is I'm going to go over and I have to create my process workflow. It is one workflow. Okay, it is a trigger and a webhook. So the trigger is customer replied, and you can choose the channel or you can have it replying to all channel. This one very specifically, I have it connected to my live chat widget, but you can have it responding to your Instagram DMs, your SMS campaigns, Facebook messages, whatever you need it responding to. You're going to create that trigger, and then you're going to create a webhook that is post, and then you're going to send it to one of these URLs. I do have a quick start guide that is listed there in the description below. You have to choose one of these URLs to send it to. You copy that, you paste it in here, you hit save action, and then you hit save, and boom, now you're connected. So now when I come to my website and I engage with my chat widget, can you help me schedule an appointment? Boom, then AI responds, I'd be happy to help you with that. Could you please provide your email address so I can send you the available times and further details? And that is step by step how to get your closebot account connected directly to your Highlevel account, and then the very simple workflow that you need to get it fired. If you guys need some extra help, there is a free community with a bunch of free trainings on how to get you started very quickly. I work directly with Jeff and Charles, and if you go inside of the classroom, there's some quick start guide and a master class that will get you rocking and rolling super fast. And if you let them know that you actually found this group from my YouTube video, I will personally hop on an onboarding call with you and work with you one-on-one to get your first bot up and running. If you would like my 2-minute setup guide, the link to get this 2-minute setup guide is right there in the description below. If you do not have a closebot account, my link for your free trial is in the description, and closebot community, that link is there as well. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you all in future trainings. Happy marketing.